Welcome to the Sigma Magic software series. In this module, we will cover a brief overview of basic value stream mapping using Sigma Magic software. We will take an example of the restaurant business. The customer demand is about 200 customers in a day and the restaurant is open for 10 hours in a day. The customers have an expected lead time of 60 minutes from the point that they arrive at a restaurant to when they are done eating the food and leave the restaurant. The main steps in the process are seating the customer, taking the order from the customer, cooking the order and serving the customer eating the food, and finally billing and payment. The first step to create the value stream map is to add the VSM template to your Excel workbook. You can do this by clicking on Lean and then selecting Value Stream Map. Click on Settings to specify the options for this map. Specify the type of map as transactional, the number of columns to display as 14, the cycle time to minute, the demand units to items per day, the available time of 1 week equals 7 days and the number of hours per shift to 10. Click on OK to save these settings. Click on the symbols to add the symbols to the value stream map per the process specified. We first add the customer icon and specify the data to 200 customers per day and expected lead time of 60 minutes. Next, we specify the process steps. First is the seating process with a process time of 2 minutes. Ordering process with a process time of 5 minutes. Eating process with a process time of 30 minutes. Bill payment process with a process time of 5 minutes. Next, we add the inventory between steps. The initial waiting before seating of 10 people in the queue, waiting for ordering at 5 minutes, waiting for the food at 15 minutes, waiting for the bill at 10 minutes. Next, we specify the flow of material and information between the different process steps. To create the ladder diagram, we specify the end-to-end path from the customer till the end of the process, including all the process steps and inventory symbols. We can click on Verify to ensure that we have correctly created the diagram. The software is complaining that we have not specified a time for the last step in the process. We can safely ignore this warning. To create the lead time ladder, we can click on the ladder button. To generate any graphs, we can click on the Analyze button. This completes the creation of the current state value stream map. We can then interpret the different outputs from the value stream map, draw conclusions and identify areas for improvement. The ladder diagram shows that our current process cycle efficiency is 41% and the total lead time is 102 minutes. In this exercise, we have not done the resource loading or balancing. The first graph is showing that we are not able to meet the customer demand and we probably need to add more tables to this restaurant. The second graph shows that we are unable to meet the customer expectation of completing this process within 60 minutes. Let's add a Kaizen burst specifying that we need to add additional tables to this process to reduce the overall lead times. This Kaizen has a cost estimate of 2/10 and benefit estimate of 7/10. We can now copy the value stream map to any other application such as PowerPoint. To do this, select all the shapes that you are interested in and then copy and paste the map using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. We hope this module was useful to get a high-level overview of how to create a value stream map using Sigma Magic software. Check out the other modules in this series to learn more about the different capabilities of the Sigma Magic software. Thank you for watching.